everybody, I'm Maxwell, this is Maxwell Bates Talks Tech, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung T7 SSD non-touch. So, let's get into it. So, thumbs up, it has nice packaging, it's nice and white and pretty. This is the 2TB version also, so enough to store anything you would want on your iCloud drive, because iCloud drive only goes up to 2TB for personal accounts, unless you work fancy subscription magic of sharing accounts or other things like that. So inside it has a white box that says Samsung, and then it's your instruction manual / information and all that stuff in lots of different languages. And yeah, that's that. And then one nice thing about Samsung drives is they give you a USB-C to C cable and a USB-C to A cable. And it's the USB-C to A cable is not not very good one. They're very good ones. They're not like a cheapo adapter cable or something like that. They're full spec USB-A cable. Although I can use the USB-C version. The SSD is USB 3.2 Gen 2, which is the 10 GB per second standard. The USB-F group is supposed to make this easier with the new naming conventional that they use, but it doesn't really. If you didn't know, the USB-F is the group who comes up with the standards for USB, also known as Universal Serial Bus. So now let's see what else is in the box. Sorry for any noise, there's a FedEx truck behind me, if you can hear it. I'll have linked below in the description the affiliated product we're talking about. And now, time for the opening of the thing you probably all came here for, the SSD. It comes out with a nice little tray and everything. I guess I could have just opened it this way. There's a little tray and then the stuff inside. That's probably what this was for. I opened it from the side, that works too. And it's so small. I know it's smaller, it's thinner than the T5 that preceded this, which was super popular and a standard for multimedia post things. It's super thin and much smaller. It's about the size of a business card and not much thicker. I'll have the specifications below the video. It's nice and thin. It also has a little LED to tell you when it's plugged in, and it seems like it'll work real well. I generally always used either these, the Samsung T5s, or the LaCie Thunderbolt 3 Rugged Pro SSDs. Stay tuned for a video on that. It's super thin, it should work for most things, and stay tuned for the full review. So I'm Max, this is Maxwell Bates Talks Tech, and I'll see you in another video.